What I make of this, Brian, is this is Donald Trump in substance giving the Supreme Court the middle finger. You know, let's just follow the bouncing ball of injustice here, because it was just 2 days ago that, as you mentioned, Donald Trump said, and I quote, "If the Supreme Court said bring somebody back, I would do that. I respect the Supreme Court." And Brian, that was in response to a reporter asking him whether he would bring Abrego Garcia back if the Supreme Court ordered him to do so. That statement, the very next day on Saturday, made an appearance in the court filing by Garcia's lawyers. And here is what they said. First, they quoted Donald Trump, as I just read, and then they went on to say, of course, that is precisely what the Supreme Court did when it ruled that the court's injunction, meaning what Judge Shinez ordered the Trump administration to do, facilitate the return of Garcia from that El Salvadoran prison, it properly requires the government to facilitate Garcia's release from custody in El Salvador and to ensure that his case is handled as it would have been had he not been improperly sent to El Salvador. So now, Donald Trump, I'll tell you, if he's king of anything, Brian, he's king of the flip-flop, because after he said, I will return him, I will respect the Supreme Court, then he posts something that says, as you just read, basically, Garcia and the others that I wrongfully deported to El Salvador are now in the sovereign control of El Salvador. The inference there being, and there's nothing we can do to bring him back. He didn't say that last part, but Brian, that was the clear implication of that post. And as I say, that is a direct FU to the Supreme Court. And now when all of these parties make their way back into court, it's on.